The lighting is funny. The sun is setting. The whole point of doing a series called RawSoul is it goes something like this. So I am here in this strange lighting because I want to reach out and touch you. If you want partnership in a lifestyle of practice toward opening and freedom for ourselves and everyone. If you want 3D, 4D, and 5D practices, I want to partner with you in conducting the magic of liberating ourselves and as much of the human race as wants to be freed. An opportunity for our souls to dance together. Raw, delighted, playful, irritated, however it shows up. I see spiritual practitioners that are doing light work and raising hope and raising vibrations and contributing to people merging with the all, the ocean of one that we all are. And I also, at age 12, made a bodhisattva vow. And for me, that meant to contribute to people who were struggling so that we could all rise together. I didn't even know what bodhisattva vow meant at age 12. I just had an intuition and committed. So when I think about what some would call the ascendant and the descendant, or the light and the dark, or the contributing to merging with unity consciousness, or contributing to the well-being and upliftment of people who are suffering. I am a gray witch. I believe in the love of both the light and the dark side. I see the face of love in both sides of the coin. I've been involved in life coaching and spiritual coaching and personal development and spiritual growth and mysticism and the occult and studying with mentors and practitioners the vast majority of my adult life. And I believe that the universe has a way of balancing herself, that nature already has a kind of balance, that it's possible that all of this is a dream, that it's just a reflection of what the soul sees and what the soul has to do. If you want partnership in a lifestyle of practice toward opening and freedom for ourselves and everyone, if you want to giggle with me through the places where we trip and celebrate with me through the places where we excel, then I look forward to your comments below. How can we dance together in a way that would help open us more deeply to the full divinity that we most deeply are. It's never too late to come home to ourselves. So I hope you will subscribe. I hope you will join me in practice. And I look forward to seeing more of you. I'm just going to sit here and play with the light. Metaphors. Shall we play? All the heart light.